Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Staten Island, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about weather and how to build a deck that can handle all 4 seasons in Staten Island. We get winter snow, spring rain, summer heat, and fall leaves, and your deck has to deal with each one. Let's start with moisture. Rain and snow are a fact of life here, and water is one of the biggest threats to any structure. A good deck design lets water move off the surface and away from framing. That means proper spacing between boards, correct slope where needed, and details like drip edges and flashing that guide water in the right direction. When gaps clog with debris, or when boards are tight with no room for drainage, water sits and problems start. Under the deck, wet soil and poor drainage around posts and footings can cause shifting or rot. Simple steps like grading the yard so water flows away, using proper footings, and making sure plants and mulch are not piled against posts help the structure stay dry and stable. Next is sun and temperature swings. Hot summer sun can fade finishes and dry out wood. Cold weather and freeze-thaw cycles cause boards and fasteners to expand and contract. Over time, that movement can loosen screws, open up checks in wood, and stress connections. Composite decking from brands like Trex and TimberTech is built to handle these swings better than many traditional boards. But even composite needs correct fasteners, spacing, and ventilation so it can move as designed without warping. Color and orientation matter too. Darker boards get hotter in direct sun, which can be uncomfortable under bare feet. Lighter colors usually stay cooler. Board direction can also impact how water sheds and how sunlight hits the surface during the day. Small choices on paper can change how the deck feels in daily use. Wind is another factor, especially in more open or elevated locations. Strong posts, solid rail attachments, and properly braced framing all help the deck stay steady in storms. If you're adding privacy screens, pergolas, or roof structures, wind loads go up, and the structure below has to be ready for that. It is not just about the visible parts. The connections and hardware holding everything together are what keep a deck safe in bad weather. Finally, we have debris, leaves, branches, and dirt. In fall, debris can pile up in corners, against the house, and between boards. If it stays there, it traps moisture and creates the perfect conditions for staining and rot. Designing decks with access for cleaning and building the habit of clearing debris a few times a year keeps that from becoming a bigger issue. In short, building for 4 seasons means thinking beyond the first warm weekend. It means picking materials that handle weather well, designing for drainage and airflow, and using framing, hardware, and details that support the loads your deck will see all year, not just on sunny days. If you are ready to build or upgrade a deck with Staten Island weather in mind, you can reach Tough Deck Builders Staten Island at 929-323-2422 or visit toughdeckbuildersstatenisland.com to learn more about our weather-ready deck design and construction services. We plan around moisture, sun, wind, and time, so your deck works in every season, year after year. Thanks for listening, and we will talk again soon.